In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Tor in Brave browser. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step of the way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage your browser's settings with confidence. First, let's begin by launching the Brave browser on your device. This is the essential first step as we need the browser open to access its settings. Take a moment now to find the Brave browser icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and give it a click. Once the browser window is open, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now, with your browser open, look to the top right corner. You will see three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Click on it. This menu gives you access to various options and settings within the browser. It's crucial because it serves as the gateway to customizing your browsing experience. Next up, within that menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. This is where you can tweak and personalize how your browser functions. Clicking on Settings will open up a new tab dedicated to all the settings available in Brave. It's like the control room of your browser where you can make adjustments to suit your needs. With the Settings tab open, look for the Privacy and Security section. This is a key area because it houses the settings that ensure your online activities are private and secure. Click on Privacy and Security to delve into these important settings. It's vital because these settings help protect your information while you browse. After that, scroll down until you find the section labeled Tor Windows. Scrolling down might take a bit of time, but don't worry, just keep going until you see the heading for Tor Windows. This section is specifically for managing the Tor feature, which offers an additional layer of privacy by routing your traffic through the Tor network. At this point, you will see a toggle switch next to the option labeled Private Window with Tor. To disable Tor, simply switch this toggle to the off position. This action turns off the ability to open private windows with Tor in Brave. It's an important step because it changes how your browser handles privacy when you open new windows. Finally, to make sure that the changes you just made take effect, you need to relaunch your browser. Simply close the Brave browser and then reopen it. This ensures all your settings are up to date and functioning as intended. It's a simple yet crucial step to confirm that your preferences are applied. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled Tor in Brave browser. By following these steps, you can customize your browser's privacy settings to fit your needs. Remember, managing your settings allows you to control your browsing experience and enhance your online security. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. Until next time, happy browsing.